Everything fades, then ceases to be. But here in this silence, the clock starts to die, as I find my truth in the depths of your eye. Don't look away, let the shadows fall beyond the words, beyond it all. Just stay, look into my eyes, and let the soul take flight. We are the stars in the hollow of the night. No more questions, no more distance to bridge. We're standing together on eternity's edge. Look into my eyes, where the universe starts, and feel the same rhythm in two different hearts, because it's you. It's you. It's not just a gaze, it's a place I can hide, with no more secrets, with nothing inside but light. Your stare is a promise that time cannot break, the only reality I'll never forsake. Forgets to rise tomorrow, if the world is drowned in silent sorrow, I'll be safe, I'll be whole. Look into my eyes, and let the soul take flight. We are the stars in the hollow of the night. No more questions, no more distance to bridge. We're standing together on eternity's edge. Look into my eyes, where the universe starts, and feel the same rhythm in two different hearts. In this lock, I am free, because it's you.